Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are making healthy salad for weight loss. So to begin with, let's roast some jeera, which is also called as cumin, and grind it, make it powder, and you can store it for up to a month and a half, something like this. Yeah, so actually we are making salad dressing first, and yeah, so this is how we are grinding it. Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and then I have soaked chickpeas for overnight and then boiled it with very little salt in it. Add to the grinder, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a lemon, and grind it, make it a smooth paste. So friends, salad can be interesting if the dressing is interesting, if it is tasty, and without adding mayo or sauce, you can still have very delicious salad which will help you in losing weight 5 to 10 kgs in 15 days. It is possible, it is very much possible. If you add mayo or sauce or sweet onion sauce, and there are several kind of sauce in the market, if you add those, just 1 spoon of such dressing will add 500 to at least 1000 calories, somewhere between 500 to 1000 calories, and that salad will be of no use. Okay, so in this we are adding about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I am taking organic. Give it a good mix. This is hummus, and some chili flake as per your taste. Hummus without tahini. Give it a good mix and it is ready. So you can make a salad with some onion, tomato, cucumber, and add 1 to 2 teaspoon of hummus in it. Yeah, something like this. It will be something like a Mexican bowl, and very filling, very healthy, and very nutritious, full of vitamins and minerals. Please do try it out and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.